Benefits of keeping cats. There are many benefits of keeping cats, which not only fulfill the hobby, but also play a positive role in mental and physical health. Below are the benefits of keeping cats. Helps reduce stress. Cats are known as companion animals, which do not let their owners feel lonely. Studies have shown that the proximity of cats helps reduce stress. Their soft touch and sweet nature can bring you peace of mind. Cats act as a special companion for many, especially those who feel lonely. If a cat is by your side, you will not always feel alone, and spending time with them can keep you mentally better. Reduces the risk of heart disease. Spending time with a cat can reduce stress. While petting a cat or enjoying its company, blood pressure and heart rate remain stable. These indirectly reduce the risk of heart disease. Increases responsibility. By keeping a cat, you will get a new sense of responsibility. Feeding, grooming, and keeping a cat healthy on time is an exercise in responsibility for the owner, which can be helpful in other areas of life as well.